Alright guys, it is 87 degrees. I don't like it over 75. But we're gonna give the chickies the rest of the cantaloupe. Okay, darlings, I'm gonna sit down. Hi down there. Hi, sweet pea. Are you ready? Are you okay, Verbena? You bullies. Such mean girls. Yeah, you're such mean girls. Ugh. I know, I'm taking so long. I'm having a hard time getting this opened. There we go. And we have a lot of cantaloupe, and it is too ripe for my liking. You should smell this. Oh my goodness. You guys get the biggest one. Let's put it right here. There we go. Sweetheart. I know. You're afraid you're going to get in trouble from Rose. And oh, you girls. Okay, eat your food. What I'm going to do? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to lock you guys up. That's what I'm going to do. And then I'm just going to feed the new girls. Put that there. There you go, Rose. There you go, Mary. Oh, yeah, so easy. Ha! Suckers. That's a good girl, but we have to get Sweet Pea over here. Yeah, come here, honey. Come here. Verbena, are you being a bully too? Yep. Alrighty. There's Verbena. There's Rose. Rose. There's Mary. We're going to feed Sweet Pea. Come here, girlfriend. Come here. Yeah. That's what it takes. Because they're just being chickens. Chickens will be chickens. And I want Sweet Pea to have a chance because she's, the mean girls don't allow her to eat. That's what they do. Until next time. Bye-bye.